Hey everyone, it's still Saturday. Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday, I have the day off, and what better way to spend my morning than drinking a Starbucks and opening my latest subscription box. So I've got in front of me the Annie's Creative Quilters Fabric Club box that we're going to get into. I signed up for this box last month in June. I got the first box because essentially they gave me 50% off. So by the time I paid for the box and it showed up, I think I only paid like $11 or something. You can go check out the video from last month. I wasn't exactly wowed, but I wondered if it was because the box I was getting was a little scaled back because it was a sampler box. So I decided to stick with it one more month and see what a full size box was going to look like and what the full retail price really was going to be for the box, and do a comparison for the cost of the box versus the value of the items inside. So that's what we're going to do today. Let's take a look. Okay, so right away on the outside of the box, there's an invoice that tells me that the box is called Fresh Picked. So I'm a little excited about that because I'm hoping that's indicative of the fabric inside here. And there is a fabric line called Fresh Picked out right now. And every time I go into my local quilt shop, I pick it up and I pet it and I hug it and I carry it around for a while, but then I set it down and then I pick it up and then I set it down. I'm sure you guys all know exactly what I'm talking about. Not like you've never done that before, right? Okay. And it even says Fresh Picked on the box. The price of this box is about $30. It's actually $29.94, I believe, if I added correctly. It's $5.95 for shipping and $24.99 or $23.99, I think it is, for the box. So about the price of a sew sampler. Okay, I pulled out the items. It was all in this plastic bag, and this is what we've got. So right off, the fabric is the Fresh Picked line, and I'm super duper duper excited about that. We'll take a look at this in a minute. The second one is this brochure, and it's got a pattern inside, but it's all one piece of paper, so you're not going to lose any of the pieces of the pattern. The paper is a really nice, high gloss, thick paper. The font is easy to read, and you've got full color illustrations throughout this, so this should be pretty easy to follow. It looks like the pattern is going to have you make a quick clutch purse, and the finished size is 9.5 by 4.5 inches. So based on the fabric I have in here, I'm probably going to be able to make a couple of these. And they have it rated as a skill level easy. You also have a template that you can use to make the flap of the clutch. So that's kind of cool. Last month, I remember my package referencing some videos I could check out online. I actually never did that. But this box doesn't reference any videos, so I don't know if that was just a one-time thing for box one or if that's something I can do every month. I did go to the website and I tried to poke around a little bit, and I didn't see a library that jumped out at me for videos. I'll keep digging. I'll let you know if I find something. So that's the pattern. I do want to point something out though. In the pattern, do you see that little yellow label right there? That says bonus pattern. I don't know if you can read it or not, but it does say bonus pattern. And to me, that means that this is just a freebie. It's not actually part of the retail value of the box. If that yellow thing wasn't there, I probably would rate it at like $5 or, well, maybe even $10. But because it's labeled as bonus, it's a freebie. It's a lagniappe, as Cotton Cuts would call it. So the real items that I'm paying for is the fabric. This month we have 6 cuts of fabric from the Fresh Picked collection, and they are all fat quarter size. I did check out the website. The website says that all of the fabric will always be fat quarters and you will always get 6 of them. So essentially, I'm paying $24 a month for a freebie lanyap pattern and 6 fat quarters. You do the math on whether or not you think that's a good value. If you need help, it rounds out to $4 per fat quarter. Let's take a look at them. This is the first fat quarter. It's a pretty floral on a white background, and this is my favorite print from the line. The second one is another floral with some gray writing in the background. The third one, it could be more of a blender, but it does have some florals incorporated into that. The fourth one is a really pretty green. Check that out, I like it. The fifth one, I love this one. It's another blender. This is a dusty rose, and you can see the prints include some rosebuds and leaves. And the sixth one is another blender. It is a pretty cream, and it's got some texture in there. You can see like some imprints of maybe flowers or clouds or something. So let's just talk about this box for a second. This costed me $29.94. 30 bucks. Shipping was 6 of it, so 24 is what I paid for the fat quarters I got. Remember, the pattern is a bonus pattern, so I consider that to be a freebie in the box. So essentially what I'm doing with this box is giving them $24 and getting 6 fat quarters, which rounds out to about $4 per fat quarter. There's no videos, there's nothing else. I feel like what they could do to help the overall value for this box is include those notions. Include that cut of interfacing and a nylon zipper or two and your snaps and be done with it. And then I feel like this box would really be worth it. It would increase the value of the box, but it really wouldn't cost Annie's Club anything extra. Would I recommend this? Probably not, because I feel like there are other fat quarter clubs out there that are a better value for your money. You're gonna get the same or more cuts of fat quarters for a better price. So, being that I wouldn't recommend it and I don't feel like the value's there, I think you know where I'm going with this. It's probably my last month with this box. I promise before I cancel it, I will do a little digging around on the website and make sure that I'm not missing anything. And if I am, I'll post another YouTube video. Okay guys, that's all I've got for now. Don't forget to hit that like button. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. And leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.